Combining like terms. Parts of an algebraic expression separated by addition and subtraction signs. Like terms must have the same variable raised to the same exponent. Constants are like terms to each other. Some examples of like terms: 3x, 6x, negative 2x. They are like terms because they have the same variable that has no exponent, whereas 4a squared, negative 3a squared, and 12a squared are also like terms because they have the same exponent too with the variable. Notice the coefficients are all different. That is fine. But if you look on the other side, 3x, 3y, and 2z are not like terms. They have different variables. Just like 4a, negative 3a squared, and 12b squared are not like terms because the variables are different and with different exponents. Identifying the like terms. The first step is to decide what you're going to look for. I like to start with my constants. Those are the numbers without any variables. If I look at this list, there is a 2 and a negative 4 that don't have any variables. Then I'm looking for my x's. There is a 4x, a 7x, and a 6x that can all be combined. If we were actually putting these into a number sentence, I would add those together for 17x. Now I can look for my y's, and there is 9y. But then I have 3y to the third power and 5y to the third power. Notice those are not joined with my 9y. Those are different variables. If I were to combine all of mine together, I would have 8y to the third power plus 9y, 17x, and a negative 2. Example 2. Again, I'm going to look for my constants. I have a 4, a 1, and a negative 2. My x's are 2x and 10x. And then I have 3 sets of y.